Hello, you beautiful people of the planet Earth. Welcome to another episode of Life Learner. I feel like I haven't done this in a long time. Yes, I've been AWOL. I have been. My goodness. So today I'm wearing pink jacket. It's actually very cold in Australia today. It's supposed to be spring, but it feels like it's winter all over again. So today I just got a package. I don't know if you could guess it. Like, I'm wearing pink jacket, so it has to be something pink. But yeah, okay. I will need your help to unbox my new iPhone 15 Plus in pink. So I was gonna order a higher model for the iPhone 15 range, but it was just too expensive and I didn't like the colors. So it was kind of like, okay, that's good that you didn't have the pink range in the higher models because it's pretty expensive. And I feel like, yeah, it saved me money because it was cheaper, and I traded in my iPhone 12 Pro Max with 512 gigabyte memory. I did feel like it was a downgrade though because it was in the Pro range, but I'm getting the Plus range for the 15, but I don't really care as long as it's pink. I don't even like pink. I do like white, black, red, beigey colors, but with this one I felt like it's not too girly. It's just, I don't know, like, look at me, I'm in a tinge of pink. I don't know. So yeah, I'm excited. Help me unbox, guys. Let me just flip you over. So this came today. I'm just covering that part because that has my home address. But yeah, I ordered it the other day and it was literally next day. I'm hoping I could do this properly with one hand because I have the camera on my other hand. But we will. Okay, let's take her out. I'm going to dinner with my fellow momshies, Nellie and Christelle. But I figured I could use the time to unbox and do the video, so tomorrow I can upload this for you. So iPhone 15 Plus. It's pretty slim. It's pink. It matches my jacket. Look at that. I feel like a Barbie right now. Well, I am a Barbie in my own right. And I have to, yeah, I need to do this on the weekend, actually, like transfer all my stuff from my old phone to this, because the courier will collect my old phone, because again I traded in. It saved me 765 Australian dollars. So I think I got this for a total of 2,199, and then I had $190 worth of gift card, Apple gift card. So subtract that, it now becomes $2,009 minus 765. I would end up I end up getting this phone for like $1,200. So, well, if you're frugal like me, I don't want to pay for the phone up front, so I'm going to do an installment payment. So over 12 months, I'll only be paying like literally over $100. So what's that? 1,200 something. So yeah, not bad. Okay, from 2,199. And I think Apple has already admitted that they do something with the battery and the performance for the older models, just so we all get upgraded to the newer versions of the phone. That's something I really don't like, but which is why I've had the iPhone 12 for 3 years and I did not decide to upgrade until now, until I saw this pretty color. I mean, you can't fault it. It's pretty. I'm a girly girl, but I don't like too girly. But I actually have fallen in love with this color. It's just too pretty. But yeah, it feels like I'm downgrading because there's just 2 cameras there and my old one had the 3 camera. Let me show you. So this is pretty much my old phone. So I chose the same size. I upgraded, but it had to be the same size. I saw there is the iPhone 15 and it's slightly smaller in dimension, but I felt like I'm already used to looking at the screen this size. So if I had to go smaller, it would be too difficult to adjust. And I'm getting older. My eyesight is not as good as I was when I was younger. So I decided, let's just stick to the same size, but get the color pink because that's what we love. And it doesn't matter if it's literally, I don't want to know actually. I don't want to know if this is a downgrade from the 12 Pro Max. I don't really care. It's pretty. That's all I can think about at the moment. So if you're just holding this phone like that, it's pretty. All right, so it comes in the USB-C charger, which is, I think this is what people have been crying about, like for Apple to actually switch to USB-C chargers. And the manual, the SIM card pin, and the sticker. I like how slim they can package everything, but still they could do a lot more with getting I don't know, like making this packaging even more slimmer than it already is. I feel like, yeah. So that's that. Hello, we're back. So that's that, and I'm loving it. Oh, I love the lighting here. A tinge of pink. Look at my lips, my face, my cheeks, my jacket. Have a great day, you guys. And my meditation pillow, it's pink. And I said I don't like pink. My drink bottle is pink. I'm so silly. Yeah. I kind of like it. Maybe I just didn't want to admit it, but apparently I do. So yes, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you guys again soon. Namaste.